Amateur artist Mark D. Chandler here once again from Man Land. And you can see in the background it's threatening to rain again. I'm under the carport cooking and I'm using the fajita pan because I saw this video on TikTok. Not with the fajita pan. It was with a non-stick skillet. Yeah, it's kind of a quick snack pizza roll wrap type of thing. And I thought it looked pretty daggum good. Now I tried my first one as a test without pizza sauce. And it's pretty daggum good. But today I'm using ragu pizza sauce. I hope it turns out alright. I just finished the first batch there and gave it to the folks and let them go ahead and start snacking because all these kids and grandkids, you know how it is. They be hungry. Hungry. They eat you out of house and home. They never stop eating. I mean, it's like, you know, what the heck? The world's coming to an end. Well, that's the reason why we got a food shortage. Most food comes here, and they eat it all up. I'm fitting to try another technique. Y'all can't hear me. But anyway, a little bit of butter. Just a little bit this time. Mozzarella directly in the fry pan. I'm gonna go a little bit more. I'm gonna be brave. The wind's blowing out here, along with the rain, and the fan and the air conditioner going. We're gonna find out. There's my cookie spatula for reference. I see right now, it should be heating up, but the doggone wind, along with the fan, ain't working with me. So let me zoom in. We're going to let the mozzarella fry to get good and crispy so I can grab it and flip it. We're making a mozzarella, kind of a mozzarella hash brown, I guess, in a way. It's mozzarella cheese. That's it. Now the mozzarella has actually got some brown on the bottom. Trying to work around there. My spatula doesn't want to quite get up under it just yet. But we're getting there. Remember, the stainless steel spatula ain't non-stick. I want to crisp it up good. Make sure I can get up underneath it like a flapjack and flip it. And it's almost there. Matter of fact, I need to get my butter ready. There we go. There we go. Didn't even have time to put the butter on it. That's how fast it cooked. That's mozzarella cheese. It ain't stuck to the skillet. You just got to get up under it and flip it right quick. And hopefully you got enough butter residue with the cheese and the cast iron itself. It's seasoned enough to where you can actually finish it off. Wasn't quite ready to flip. it doesn't matter. I'm gonna run out of battery power, so I'm gonna try to break this open so y'all can see this. Yeah, remember everything's solid inside, so this ain't gonna look pretty, but it'll help it cool down a little bit better. Chewy, ooey goodness, and there's a lot of, man, there's a lot of daggum cheese and a lot of daggum meat in there too. I'm starting to drip a lot of it because these ain't chopped up. In other words, this ain't your basic, you know, hot pocket. And man, I'm hoping this is cool, man. That's a big chunk of meat there. Well, that's full of flavor, and this is the way to go. These flour tortillas, what they do, they give you some softness and some crunch. It's like the perfect imitation pizza without being overcooked. So if the U.S. military can figure out a way to do this, man, our boys in the green, they'd be a lot happier. Or tan, or, you know, whatever they have to be wearing, wherever they at. Let's hope they don't go nowhere in the near future. Or later on. I mean, seriously, we don't want wars. But, yeah, gun. Hey. Gotta make sure ain't no flies on my other people. That is fan-freaking-tastic. I'm eating the corn because it's so daggum good. The crust is perfect. So there you go, DIY dark matter. There's your official taste test. Yeah, it cooled down enough to where the cheese doesn't burn your mouth. Now, I cooked a lot of the other stuff. Thing is when they cool down, take them out, pop them back in the microwave if you got them here at home, like here in a homestead. All it needs is a little taste of garlic, like Mama used to make. That's only one half. So until next time, this is Amateur Artist Mark D channel, wishing you and y'all a very happy YouTube experience out there. And remember this: the fajita pan. This dad gonna burst them, for sure. Oh yeah, it's great in the microwave after the fact. Ain't no doubt about it.